start with the magic circle and chain 4. Here the starting chain 2 will be counted as 1 double crochet, and the remaining stitches it will be counted as chain 2 space. Now make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Now repeat this until you have 12 chain spaces. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch into the second chain. Next round, start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch, and for this whole pattern the starting chain 2 it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in between these 2 stitches, that is a chain space. Now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in between the 2 stitches, that is a chain space. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. In total you should have 24 stitches. Next round, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet the same stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, now repeat this, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. In total you should have 36 stitches. Next round, chain 5, skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this, chain 5, skip a stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and make a double crochet into this first chain. This is the connecting stitch made. Next round, chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this, chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now to make the connecting stitch, chain 2 and make a double crochet on this stitch, that is the double crochet from the previous round. That's the connecting stitch made. Now repeat this round 2 more times, that is chain 5, one single crochet in the next stitch, chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat this round 2 more times, or else if you wish to make a larger sized doily, you can keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. This is how it will look. Once you reach the end, chain 5, make a slip stitch on top of this double crochet. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space and chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 7 double crochets in this space. Now repeat this all around, 7 double crochets in each and every chain space. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, chain 4. Here, the starting chain 2 it would be counted as 1 double crochet, and the remaining 2 stitches it would be counted as chain 2 space. Now skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip a stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now repeat this all around, chain 2, skip a stitch and 1 double crochet. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch into the second chain. Next round, start with chain 2, 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch, this one, and 1 double crochet in this chain space. Now repeat this, 1 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and finally 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch repeat the same, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and finally 1 single crochet. Now repeat this all around, skip the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on this first stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.